that we are present here, especially for our honorable principal sir, past principal sir, all the respected teachers, juniors and seniors and dear friends. It's Miss Vinati Guru from grade 9. I hope all of you are doing well. Today I am so glad because I got a golden opportunity to deliver a speech on the topic of believing in yourself. Believing in yourself means having confidence in your own ability, results and needs. It is the first and the most powerful step towards success. It is the foundation of happiness and success in your life. Without self-belief, the most talented person can feel lost and helpless. But with self-belief, an ordinary person can achieve extraordinary things. If the internal work practice you not like a breed, when the entire world will say you can't. Every discovery, every achievement, and every investment will start with one simple thing, and that's belief. Self-belief is the secret ingredient of the secret story. Thomas Alva Edison, the thought to create a light bulb, everybody says that it's impossible, but he never stopped believing in himself and he created it. Now we all are using it. And the Wright brothers thought that humans could fly. Everyone will laugh at them when they say that. But now, today, we all are traveling across the world by airplanes. Even our national heroes thought that they can change our nations and go big. Their journey was not easy at all, but their dream made them keep moving forward. Believing in yourself doesn't mean you will never face failure in your life. It means you will never give up when you fail. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of success. There will be a time in your life when every person will say that you can't do and they all will criticize you. But never stop believing in yourself. If you let others to decide what you can or can't do, you will never discover your true potential.